How's it going, everyone? So in this video, I will be doing a push-up workout. So before I get started, please subscribe to my channel if you guys haven't already. I do appreciate the support. It helps my channel grow. Also, please follow me on Instagram, Dylanberg999. So exercise that I'm going to be doing today is going to be single leg push-ups. Great exercise. It is a variation of the push-up. So we'll do 7 reps, 10 sets, 70 total repetitions. So let's get started. So again, to do single leg push-ups, all you do is you put your leg on top of the other leg like this. And then all you do is you do a push-up. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Just like that. Pretty easy to do. Not easy to do, it's a little bit harder than the conventional push-up, but it is a great ab variation to do. So today I made videos from 8:15 to 11:15, so 4 hours. And it's now 6:30 and I'm making some more videos. So I made 15 videos in those 4 hours. And now wife's going for a shower, so I thought I'd do a little bit more. If I can get 3 videos done, that'd probably be good. So probably get 3 videos done, and then that'll give me 18 for the day, and then that'll probably be it. So I'm not really a fan of starting and stopping video. I mean, it's not too bad, but generally 6:30, 7 o'clock, just starting to wind down a little bit. So a little bit tougher to make vids as opposed to first thing. First thing in the morning is pretty easy to do, but this is a little bit harder. So again, better camera angle this time. A single leg push-up again looks like this. So one leg on top like this. Then all you do is you do your push-ups. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Just like that. But yeah, I've had 1,350 calories today, so I still have 1,000 left, but I'm probably only gonna eat 2,000 today. Hoping for a low weigh-in tomorrow if I only eat 2,000. Be nice to hit anything in the 182 range. So with 1,350, I'm gonna have 500 calories worth of chips. That'll put me at roughly 1,850, and then might have a pizza pop, 260 calories, or some pot pies, chicken pot pie. My wife, it was just frozen, but might have some of that. We will see. Another 7 reps. 1, 2. But yeah, weight loss is coming along nicely. Just gotta keep hitting my calories and I will see results. It's pretty simple. Just keep hitting your calories and eventually you will lose weight. But yeah, me and the wife just got done watching a 2-hour movie. She's going for a shower. When she gets out, gonna have some of those chips, gonna have some Diet Coke, and then watch another movie for probably 2 hours. I'll put us at 8:30. Maybe watch another one till 10:30. She'll generally go to bed at 10:30 on work days. Me, just go to bed with her. Then tomorrow I'll probably get up. Whenever she gets up, I'll probably get up too, and then just start making videos. 1, 2. But yeah, I've really been really posting on the Reddit forum to my investor buddies, and I'm thinking the minimum amount of time that I'm going to have to work until I'm retired is going to have to be about 5 years. That is doing full time. If I do full time, but I could do part-time and work longer. So do full-time in 5 years or part-time in like 10 years. I'd rather just do the full-time, get it over with. 2. But again, it will depend. A lot can change by next year. Again, next February or next September is when my job is done. But there is an opportunity that I might be chosen for more work. If it depends on seniority, so it depends if some of the people stay. I think I'm about 5th on the list, and I don't know if they're taking 4 or 5 people. So it'll be really close. But again, with the job, a lot of people come and go, so you never know. And yeah, that's dependent if we get the contract. We still do not know, so dependent on the contract. If we get the contract, that's 5 more years. But again, next February or next September is when my role is becoming automated, so I will not be able to do it, but there might be a role in a similar position. So again, it all depends. A lot can happen in 5 years. So yeah, there's no sense in worrying about it. No sense in looking for other jobs, just until kind of know a little bit better. And yeah. But again, I'd love to be 5 years in advance right now and just be able to be done, because come Sunday night, you gotta work Monday, your Monday to Friday typically. Like Sunday nights suck. I want every night to be like Friday night. No, Friday night, like, you know, you don't have to work. You get all day Saturday off. I want that to be like every day, where you know you don't have to work. But yeah, it all depends, I guess. It all depends. I'm doing pretty well. Me and the wife have set ourselves up for really good right now. I'm just looking to kind of finish it off and just be done with work as soon as possible. So I know I'm still young. I'm only 26 right now. But again, by about 33, 34, that's when I would like to be done. Again, next year does not count, because next year is all going to be next year is all going to be pay off the mortgage. So next year this year, next year really don't count. That'll put me still 28. I'll be 28, and then about 5 years, so 33 I'd like to be done, and just doing YouTube. So in those 5 years, I'll have enough money accumulated that I could allow that to grow, my investment grow 5 to 10 years, and then just rely on YouTube for that amount of time to cover the expenses. And then in that 5 to 10 years, I will have enough money to live off for the rest of my life. So again, with YouTube and my current investments, I'm saving a crap load, but I kind of need that full-time job still. Even though I said I was going to go part-time, which I am still thinking of, but at the same time, I kind of just want to get it over with. But yeah, again, still lots of stuff going in, lots of things can change. Anything can happen in a year. A year is a very long time away, so lots can happen. Hopefully it's a good year. 2019 was probably the toughest year of my life, even though financially it was really good, but personal, it was a little bit tough. But I won't get into details with that. Yeah, end the video. Thank you so much for watching. Please subscribe to my channel if you guys haven't already. I do appreciate the support. It helps my channel grow. Also, please follow me on Instagram, DylanBerg999. Thanks again, everyone.